Hello, Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. After completing the preparatory series of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad for grade 5, 6, and 7, we are going to start the preparatory series for Silver Zone Science Olympiad for grade 5th, 6th, 7, and 8. Here, we solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. Each question of every exercise will be well explained. Each chapter contains 40 questions, which is divided into two part videos of 20 and 20 questions for all four grades. Every week, we release one video of each class, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday for grade 8, 7, 6, and 5 respectively. To get the videos at your earliest, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so that you can be ready for your Olympiad exam on time. And do share the video with your friends so that all the Olympiad aspirants can be benefited. And my one request is that please mention your feedback in the comment section. Actually, it means a lot for me and motivates me to make such videos. Thank you. Now let's start. Grade 8 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 2, Video Part 2. Question number 21. Which one of the following factors affect the existence of the endemic species? The destruction of forests, introduction of new species, increasing human population in the vicinity of forest reserves, or all of the above. Actually, the reason behind this is all of the above. The 21 answer will be option D. Question number 22. The logo of World Wildlife Fund is symbolized by the lion-tailed macaque, red panda, giant panda, or lion. So it is your giant panda. The logo is here. This is option C. The 22nd answer is option C. IUCN stands for Indian Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. No. International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. Yes. The 23rd answer is option B. Question number 24. The major cause of diminishing wildlife number is camouflage, no. Habitat destruction, scarcity of drinking water, or cannibalism, no. Actually, it is habit destruction. So 24th, habitat destruction. It is your B. 24th answer is option B. Question number 25. When the World Life Week is celebrated? First week of November? No. September? No. First week of October? Yes. The 25th answer is option C. Question number 26. Part of the earth which supports life where living being exists is called biosphere. Actually, biosphere means the living organism live in air, water, and land also. All three make form the biosphere. Option C. 26th answer is option C. Question number 27. When no member of a species exists, it is known as extinct species. अगर एक भी नहीं है तो extinct species, like your dinosaur. The 27th answer will be your option C. Question number 28. The variety of lion on the earth is referred as the variety of life on the earth is referred as biodiversity. The various species on the earth. That is your biodiversity. The 28th answer is C. Question number 29. A group of population which has a capacity of interbreed is known as. So this is known as species. Okay. The 29th answer will be option C. Question number 30. Elephant is an endemic species now. Actually, the government started to conserve elephants so that it cannot be endangered species. The 38th answer will be your option C. Question number 31. Which one of the following is not a region of biosphere reserve? So buffer, region of the biosphere, core, and transition. Inner part is the core, buffer is the middle one, and transition is the outer layer. but manipulation is not the reason of a biosphere reserve. So 31 answer is C. Question number 32. Which one of the following national park contained in Pachmari Biosphere Reserve? So, Corbett National Park, Satpura National Park. Answer will be your Satpura National Park. 32 answer is option B. Question number 33. Name the first national park of India. It is your Jim Corbett National Park. The 33rd answer is option A. Question number 34. Removal of fertile topsoil will cause fertile topsoil from the top. So this is known as your desertification. Means the land become the desert as the fertile soil just removed from there. So 34th answer is your option B. Question number 35. Cyanobacteria is a dash component of ecosystem. So cyanobacteria is the live, so that's why it is biotic component. 35 answer will be option B. Question number 36. Which one of the following groups indicates the flora of a region? Mango, cheetal, teak and jamun. So this is not the flora. And chinkara, pine, teak, wild mango. No, rejected, rejected. Teak, pine, jamun, wild mango. Can be possible chinkara and cheetal. No. So that's why 36th answer will be your option C. Question number 37. Dash is the multi-purpose protected area that may also contain other protected area in it. So this type of area is known as biosphere reserve. Okay? The 37th answer is option D. Question number 38. Dash is the loss of corals due to the environmental stress. The loss of corals is known as your coral bleaching. Option B. 38th answer is option B. Question number 39. Biotic component of an ecosystem does not include mosses, ferns, microbes, minerals. Biotic component means the living component and mineral is not a living component. 39 answer will be option D. Question number 40. Dinosaur is an extinct species. Matlab dinosaur is not any single dinosaur is not present in on earth. So that's why it is extinct one. So 48th answer will be option A. Okay. Thank you for watching this video completely. I want to share one more information with you which can boost your Olympiad preparation. Actually, we are going to launch Olympiad courses on our app F2S Olympiads classes. You can download it from the Play Store. These courses are available for the subject Maths and Science for grade 2 to 8. In this course, you will find all the Olympiad related study materials, chapter wise question paper, and test series for the complete syllabus. Using this app, you can check the level of your Olympiad preparation as well as you can gear up your study. Go and download this app and check the courses. It is available at very nominal cost. And if you have any doubt related to the worksheet explained or about the app, you can write your doubt in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. Thank you.